nation. Me sing. If you pressure on no back, you illiterate and foolish, you might on a cook, and you not go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another day to give God thanks. Yeah, bless his holy name. Yeah, big up God, big up all the subscribers, all the persons who share, comment, like. Chandel Miller, big up yourself, my student. Yeah, well, shout out to all of the 14 parishes. Yeah, you hear somebody a call me name, say, oh, teacher Blakie from Portmore, big up yourself, Tyreek. Yeah, soon get into that. Yeah, Tyreek asked me to do a question for him on factorization. So yeah, we're gonna deal with the thing. So big up 14 parishes people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You heard, alright? Big. So people. So as I said before, Tyreek all the way in Portmore has asked me to do a question for him on factorization. So here we go. So remember people, always have our standard form, alright, for quadratic, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, right? And we know that the coefficient, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is our constant. Good? Alright. Now, if I have this question, x squared minus 9x, right, plus 8. 8. Right? Remember now, people, this is ax squared plus bx plus c. Good? Alright. So what I'm going to do is I am going to multiply our a and our c. Cool? So we know that the coefficient of x squared is 1. Alright, so in this case, my a is equal to 1. Right? And I know that my c is equal to 8. Good? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the coefficient of x squared and my constant, which is a multiplied by c, which is equal to 8. 1 times 8, 8. Good? Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I need two numbers. Alright? When I multiply them, I must get 8. Alright? And when I add them, I must get 9x squared. Good? So basically, I'm searching for this. So we are searching for 9 minus 9. This is what we're searching for. Right? Now, we need to find the factors of 8. Right? So we know that one of the factors already is 1 multiplied by 8. And that is equal to 8. And that's a positive 8, people. Now, if I add 1 plus 8, I would get 9. But remember that we are searching for this. Negative 9 we are searching for. So basically, this dead. That can't work. Alright, so we kill that. Now we know that there are other factors of 8. What about 2 times 4? Down that is 8. Good. But what if I add 2 plus 4? That is 6. So this dead also. Oh, so me hear somebody all the way in St. Thomas say, Miss, what about the negative numbers? We can use negative as well. Wonderful. So what if I try negative 1 multiplied by negative 8? Negative times a negative give us a what? Alright, yeah. A positive 8. Now, if I add negative 1 plus negative 8, that is equal to what? Oopsie. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Eh? So if I add negative 1 plus negative 8, listen, don't be fool. Tariq, since you asked me to do a question like this, listen to me. You go to one of the shop in Portmore, alright? A close by shop. And you go there and you just one bag juice. See it here? And because you and the people them so cool, you go back again because you now play football. So you go back now and you just eat more because we know so when your parents come home, you can get the money to pay the lady. So first you go and you just one bag juice. You went again and you just 8 more bag juice. Tyreek, and no, you don't pay the woman her money, you know. So guess what? You still OR. Alright, so you OR for 9 bag juice. Minus 9. And that is what we were looking for. So here what? We are going to run with this. Cool? So we are going to run with minus 8, minus 1, sorry, plus minus 8. Alright, so we can run with this. Alright? And this is what we are going to do. We are going to write back our x squared. Alright? But instead of writing back minus 9x, we are going to replace it with minus 1 and minus 8. Alright? So we can just put minus 1x, alright? And minus 8x plus 8. Alright? In the future, we would normally say x. Alright? But you can write 1x just to remember. Alright? The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to group. Alright? So we are going to group our x's and our 8. Alright? So x squared minus x bracket. Replace back your minus sign. Bracket your 8x plus 8. Alright? Now we're going to look for what is common. So we realize that x squared and minus x is common. Drop your x into x squared, leave x. And x into x, leave 1. Right back your minus sign. Look what is common. And what is common is 8. Alright? So 8 is common. 8 into 8x, x leave. And 8 into 8 is 1. But we write back a minus sign here. Because negative 8 times negative 1 would give us back a positive 8. Alright? So what we're going to do is, so basically, you see, when you factor and you don't get the two same thing in the bracket, you need to recheck that. Alright? So we're going to pick up one of the brackets. And we're going to pick up what is outside. Kaboom! So Tariq, that was done just for you. Alright? So here what people, we can check this now. Let's check it. Alright? Let's check it. Watch this. Let's check this. So let us write back this. This is x minus 1 bracket x minus 8. So let us expand it and see if we can get back this. Cool? Watch this. So we're expanding. So we know that x times x give us x squared. We know that x times minus 8 give us minus 8x. Alright? Up here now we know that negative 1 times x give us minus x. And the negative 1 times negative 8 give us a positive 8. Cool? So, we're not done. Alright? What we're going to do is, we're going to add like terms. Alright? So, we have x squared minus 8x. Remember, you owe the lady for 8 bag juice. Cool? And you go back again and just one more. So, you owe her 9 bag juice. To kill that, see there? X squared minus 9x plus 8. X squared minus 9x plus 8. Boom. Alright guys, I try this little X game before I start anything. I try this X game with my students. Alright? And we'll call it the X game. Cool? Watch this. Say I have put back 8. Say I have 8. Alright? So 8. So this is your X game. Alright? I need two numbers that when I multiply them, I get a positive 8. When I add them, I must get a minus 9. That's an X game. So, teachers, students, anybody, you can try the X game before you go straight into the quadratic. Cool? So, you need two numbers. When you multiply them, you get a positive 8. But when you add them, you get a minus 9. So, we know that 2 times 4 give us 8. But when we add 2 times 2 plus 4, we get 6. Alright? So basically, you need two numbers again. When you multiply them, you get 8. And when you add them, you get 9. Alright? So when you look at this, we know that it is minus 1 and minus 8. Negative 1 times negative 8. give us a positive 8. Negative 1 plus minus 8 was a minus 9. Alright? So you can try the x game. Let's try another number. Alright? So we have 30 here. Alright? And we have 11 here. We need two numbers. When you multiply them, you get 30. And when you add them, you get 11. We big and know, so listen, 30 times 1, that not gonna work. Alright? You kill that. That come out of the way automatically. Alright? But when you look at it, you said 15 times 2, 30. But 15 plus 2 don't get 11. Alright? So you look for the nether factors, which is 6 and 5. So 6 times 5, 30. And 6 plus 5, 11. Peace out, people. Have a blessed day. Look out that is coming. And people, don't forget to send in your requests. Send them in. Cool? Kaboom.